Good morning from Hollywood Studios. It's day 5 of the adventure. We are heading in. We've got paid lightning lanes for Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway. We've got one for Rise. We've got Toy Story Mania booked. We're going to Ogre's Cantina for some Star Wars drinks. And I think it's clear what my theme is today. Marvel all the way, particularly Falcon Winter Soldier. So let's get on with it. We're just in Starbucks here and they have the Luxe Starbucks cups. However, these are $50, so you have to really want one. That's crazy. They also have a fun chewy drinks cup and the price on that is $25, so but that to me is crazy town. So we're just heading over for our lightning lane for Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway. Chip and Dale are out meeting, causing trouble. We grabbed a Starbucks. I have had a pink drink. And this is what it looks like at Hollywood Studios this morning. So we're going to go round to the left and head for lightning lane because the line over there for Mickey and Minnie's is pretty intense. All right, we're going in and there is no line over here. Perfect. Good morning. Woohoo!
I've never been to the time. Never.
Potato Land! So, we went on Mickey and Minnie's. It was adorable, and but it broke down just as we could see the exit. Now, we got to ride, but we've still been given what's called a recovery pass. That means that we can re-enter the lightning lane, we can ride again, we can use it for any ride in the park, apart from Tower of Terror and Rise.
We can do Smugglers.
Yes, we could use it on Smugglers, but I think that's for the inconvenience of time and just being evacuated off a ride is kind of cool. The problem now is we are
15 minutes late for Ogres.
15 minutes late for Ogre's Cantina. I'm hoping they're going to be nice to us and let us in because I do want the kids to see it. So we'll see what happens.
For a line, I like that.
All Alright, so we're outside Ogre's Cantina. We were late. They were kind enough to let us keep our reservation. And we are just waiting to be called to go and experience this. These are the rules. And obviously you understand this, right guys?
Oh, yes, I like
You can read this? Fantastic. Okay. The power's gone out at Ogre's. So we have our drinks here at Ogre's. Are you happy, Lexi? Yeah. We have this one. It actually comes with a cookie. You just show us it comes like this. This is the Blue Panther. Comes like this. And I've got a T16 Skyhopper, and we have another Jabba Juice right here with those green boba. Hey guys, so we're in the first bit of Rise of the Resistance. In case I didn't update you, we are in Rise of the Resistance using our lightning lane, and it's about to kick in.
Incoming transmission from Ray.
We're about to find out what's happening.
Shouldn't you be in flight prep? Recruits, thank you for joining the cause. A covert resistance team led by my friend Finn has infiltrated a First Order Star Destroyer that is now headed to this system. The Resistance desperately needs your help in our fight against Kylo Ren and the First Order. Remember, it is vital that you keep the location of the Bakara base secret.
Ground crews, deck is in motion. Recruits crossing to transport.
Initiate break speed sensor.
Review.
Thank you, 9.
Lexi's into
Black
this.
Leader, are you and your team ready?
Affirmative. Engines are high.
Raise the shields.
We got company. First Order TIE fighters. Reroute. Reroute. True Blue 5, we got a clear path so transport can make the jump.
Down the corridor for interrogation. Move along. That means get out.
This room always makes my jaw drop. This is so impressive every single time. We need to head to the right, but the more time you could snag in here, the better. There's nothing I could do to give you a sense of the scale of this room. I'm in the possession of the First Order. I'm in trouble now. Alright, so we're following our instructions from the First Order right now. We are under interrogation. We are on. So, we have been instructed. Blue, you will follow your colours. Okay, so remember when Luke and Princess Leia and Han got stuck in a cell? It kind of feels like that, except we have no poles to hold it apart, and we are being watched right now.
Yes, General.
Everybody's okay?
We're okay.
Let's go quickly. Blue, red, silver, orange, blue, red.
Then head down
We've been rescued by the Resistance.
Destroys a program to return
Here
to
we
our
go.
team. Hurry and don't get caught. Lieutenant Beck will guide you. Did it work? Good. Now get a move on.
Hey, you're not authorized. Wait, those are the prisoners.
Courage to engage us.
You underestimate their conviction. Raise the shields.
Shields? I see no evidence.
Now!
Sound the alarm! All personnel to their stations!
Oh boy. He's after us for sure. Oh, he's coming in. Woo!
resistance.
Another group of flight candidates. Welcome, my friend. Welcome, welcome. What a fine-looking group of flight professionals.
All right, Lexi dreams coming true. She's going to pilot the Falcon. Yay!
All right.
Yeah, with our friend here. They're going to pilot together.
Whoa!
Whoa!
Weapons are online. Oh my God. Going over it.
Pilot, hit the coasters. Now let's go get that coaxial.
All right.
Pilot,
Here it comes.
make the jump to light
Make
speed.
it happen, Lexi.
Whoa!
Yes, you got one. Excellent, my friends. Power up the ship. Well,
Over here.
Hi, Daisy. Hello, looking sassy and beautiful. You queen. Has he told you how beautiful you are today? He didn't. Hey, Donald. I think you need to give Daisy some love today. Did you tell her she's beautiful today? Oh. Oh boy. He's watching you when you were sleeping. Oh. But you love her, right? You love her. Yeah. Daisy doesn't seem sure about this at all. I don't know. I know. All right, so we're done in Hollywood Studios. That was a lot of Star Wars Galaxy's Edge. I couldn't record a lot of what Lexi was doing because she was using my phone. There's a lot of interactive stuff on the Disney Play app, and you can basically scan every code, every sign, translate it. You're unlocking things. It's a ton of fun. We're gonna head back to Pop Century now, take a break before we head to the Polynesian for dinner. Well, we've arrived in paradise. Welcome to the Polynesian, and where we're having dinner tonight. Okay, to start us off here at Ohana, we have chicken wings, pork dumplings, noodles, broccoli. We also were given a salad and bread. As you can see, we kind of got going on that. And this here is a Polynesian staple. This is the lapu lapu, which is a rum cocktail served in a pineapple. These have come to our table. So this is the steak, and we have the chicken in chimichurri sauce, and we've got a peel and eat shrimp here. So you end up with a lot of food. So we just ate. I've tried everything, and I would say the chicken was way better than I was expecting. It was really flavorful. It was lovely. Steak was good. It was cooked medium rare. The one that shocked us all actually was the shrimp, and there's too much flavor. There's been so much seasoning put on the shrimp that you peel it and it's on your fingers, and it's penetrated through to the shrimp, and you're getting a mouthful of it, and it actually made my fingers sting. So it's too strong. I can report that my pineapple cocktail is all gone. All gone. Sad day. But everything I think is really good. The noodles are good. Chicken wings lovely. We've got more of the pork dumplings. Lexi's got a new favourite food at Disney. Yeah, I enjoy it. What do you think?
I love the pork dumpling.
She loved the pork dumpling. Well, I wish I had more space for this. This is the pineapple bread pudding. It used to be different. It's pineapple bread pudding. Comes with a caramel sauce and vanilla ice cream, and you don't need a lot. And after all that food, wow, is it filling. I just wish I had more space to eat more of it because it is so good. So we had dinner at Ohana, we saw fireworks from the beach, and now, just to say we did, we're going to ride on the monorail round to Magic Kingdom and get the bus to pop from there. And that is how you would need to get back to your hotel. If you're staying at a resort, oh, Lexi's just bought this. If you're staying at a resort, you cannot get a bus from resort to, so I cannot get a bus from the Polynesian to Pop. You need to go via a park, and that's what we're going to do. We're going to go to Magic Kingdom. You pulling faces. We need to go to Magic Kingdom and get the bus to Pop from there. That's what we're going to do. So we totally weren't going to come to Magic Kingdom tonight. It's cold, but now I'm celebrating because my teeny tiny YouTube channel hit 300 subscribers, which is teeny tiny in the world of YouTube, but I'm thrilled to bits. And Big Thunder opened back up today, so we're gonna go ride that right now to celebrate. Just walking down Main Street and thinking of all the things, there you go, it's 5 to 9. Just thinking of all the things I plan on doing with my channel. I'm gonna double it, I'm gonna triple it. All the Disney content coming your way. We have a big Disney year this year, so stick with me. Do you want to see the castle? Let's try and come out from the crowds. There she is tonight, gorgeous.
If any of you folks are wearing hats or glasses, best remove them, because this year's the wildest ride in the wilderness.
All right, here we go. It's 10 to 10 at night. And
We're doing this because Mommy's in Big Thunder.
You see the castle and Main Street behind us. Have you had a good day?
Yes.
I've had a great day. It's been all over the place. 2 parks, 1 amazing meal, 300 subscribers, some very late night rides.
And the way we celebrated was going on Big Thunder.
Big Thunder, 7 Dwarfs Mine Train. I'm ready for bed. Are you tired?
No.
Right, let's go. Let's go get on a bus. Good night from Magic Kingdom.